Hello guys, I composited the Inferno logo animation into a live action footage like this one.
Wait for it. Here it comes.
In this section of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how I use Premiere Pro to assemble all the footages and prepare the footages for composition inside Adobe After Effects. So do not skip any part of the tutorial because it is very important for you to know every step I took to get this result. Now in Premiere Pro, start a new project. We're going to name our project Inferno Composition. Leave all other settings right here as default and then hit OK. Now let's create a sequence where we're going to assemble all the footage we're going to use. So go to File, then New, and then select Sequence. You can also Ctrl-N to start this dialog box. So select the resolution you want. You can select from all the default and templates they have right here. But in this case, I'm going to select 1080p 16:9 and 30 frames per second because that is the setting I have recorded my video. So select and then name your sequence and then hit OK.
Yeah, boy.
Navigate to where you have all your footage saved. Select all the footage, drag and drop it into the project manager window. So if you want to know a bit how to use Premiere Pro, I have a beginner tutorial right on the card above, or you can check the link in the description. Now with all your footages still selected, drag and drop it and paste it into the timeline.
Next are some quick pro tips for you.
To import your footages, you can also double click on this project manager window, or you go to File and then select the import option. You can also use the Ctrl-I to import. Wow! Select the bar right here to zoom in your footages so that you can start cutting away the footages, or you can hold down the Option key or Alt key on your window, use the center mouse key to scale into your timeline, or scale or shrink or expand. Whatever works for you, that is it. Before I go into cutting the footages, if you hit C on your keyboard, that is going to activate the razor tool right here. And if you hit V on your keyboard, that is going to drop the tool right here, as you can see. So we're going to go right in here and scrub. So once I scrub, I'm going to cut this part from here. Then I will hit C and cut this away. Then select the footage I want to cut away and then backspace to delete it. So you can then select all the footages and move it to the beginning of your timeline. So I'm going to repeat this process all through to cut away all the unwanted parts of the video. I have went through the process and then cut away the unwanted part of the video. If you hit spacebar to preview, you will see what I have done so far. In this case, we don't need the audio at all. So we're going to mute it right here from the audio channel, that is the audio track. This is what I have so far. In the next tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to link this with Adobe After Effects and then start compositing Inferno animation with real live action footage. So make sure you check out the tutorial on the card. If you learned something new on this video, please hit the like button. That will enable the algorithm to suggest this to more people. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll reply to all questions as quick as I can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in whatever way you are able to support me, I highly appreciate you. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.